Let's talk about organizing your or your learners' Notability files. You're going to start by going up to the top and click the plus button. You can create a divider or a subject. We're going to create a divider. They're kind of like the big file cabinets that hold everything. So it's your main topic. Once you have the divider created, you can create the subject to go underneath it. Again, click the top, but this time, create a subject. Title your subject. This could be the unit of studying that you're doing currently, or something like that. Now, if it ends up going in the wrong divider, you can click Edit, grab the 3 lines, and move it around to the correct divider. With this, your learners will be able to organize it according to what. Have more questions? Ask your DLC. We're here to help.